Hello children, welcome to today's session. In this session we are going to learn about subtraction fact, quick tips about subtraction and word problems using subtraction. Now everyone take Max Studio, take pencil along with you, take page number 61. We are going to see the activity 3.15. Okay, so the subtraction fact we are going to write here. See, first sum 70 minus 38 they have given. So you want to write the subtraction fact first. So write like this, you want to take and write the numbers. The first number 70 you want to take and write, and 38. So 38 you want to write in the second boxes. And what operation we are going to do? Subtraction. Okay, we are going to do the subtraction. Okay, now listen here. In ones place, what number we have? 0. Okay, so from 0, you cannot subtract 8. Okay, so here there is no number. 0 means there is no number. So we cannot subtract 8. Okay, in last session itself, we have seen some few examples. So what we do? We borrowed from tens place. Okay, so in tens place how many tens we have? 7 tens. Okay, from 7 tens you have to give 1 tens to the ones place. Okay, so it will become 10. Okay, so in tens place the number will become 6 because we gave 1 tens to the ones place. Okay, so the number will become 6 here in tens place. In ones place the number will become 10. Now you can subtract. Okay, so from 10 if you subtract 8 means 2 you will be getting. Okay, you can do the subtraction by putting lines. In last session I have showed you 10 lines you can draw, and you want to subtract 8 means strike out the 8 lines. Okay, like that also you can do. And if you know to do this subtraction, you can minus as it is. So 10 minus 8, 2. Again from 6 you want to subtract 3. Okay, 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Like this also you can do. Otherwise you can draw the 10 lines. In the side you can draw the 10 lines and you can strike out 8 lines. In the last session I have showed you. Like that also you can do. It will be easy for you. Okay, yes. See, the remaining 2 sums you have to do by yourself. Okay, sit along with your parents and do by yourself. And you want to take and write these numbers. They have given the boxes. Okay, according to these boxes you want to take and write these numbers and you want to do the subtraction. And see here, we can do the one more sum. The first number 66 they have given. You want to take and write like this. And minus, okay, minus 27. So 27 you want to write. Okay, from 6 can you subtract 7? So which is the largest number? Yes, very good. 7 is the largest number. Okay, 6 is the smallest number. Okay, from smallest number you cannot subtract the largest number. Okay, yes. So what you have to do? Yes, very good. You want to borrow from the tens place. Okay, if you get borrow from the tens place, the ones place will become 16, and in tens place the number will become 5 because you gave 1 tens to ones place. Okay, now you can do the subtraction. 16 minus 7, as usual you can draw the lines and you can strike out and do it. Okay, yes. 16 minus 7, what is the answer? Tell me. Yes, very good. 9. Okay, 5 minus 2, 3. So 13 is the answer. Okay, so the remaining these 2 sums also you can do by yourself in home. Sit along with the parents and complete these 2 sums. Now take page number 58. Okay, now take page number 58. See, Surabhi collected 36 flowers. Okay, Surabhi collected 36 flowers. She made 3 garlands of 10 flowers. Okay, out of 36 flowers, she made 3 garlands by using a group. Okay, 3 garlands of 10 flowers and has 6 flowers left with her. Okay, so 6 flowers left with her. Okay, see they have given the picture. So 3 garlands she made by keeping 10 flowers. Okay, in each garland only 10 flowers will be there. Okay, see count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in each garland 10 flowers will be there. Like that she made how many garlands? Yes, very good. 3 garlands. Okay, and the remaining flowers she left as it is. Okay, so 6 flowers she left. So this we consider as 6 ones. Yes, so in last session, okay, we learned. In second lesson also we have learned the ones and tens by grouping, isn't it? Yes. So these 3 tens, okay, these 3 tens formed as a group of 10 flowers. So how many group we have? 3 garlands. So 3 group. Okay. So 3 garlands, that we call it as a 3 tens. Isn't it? Yes. So 36 flowers they have given. In that 3 garlands she made by using 10 flowers. Okay. So 3 tens, 6 ones. Okay. Now see, Anisha wants 9 flowers from Surabhi to make a bouquet. Now what Anisha is doing? She wants 9 flowers from Surabhi. She is asking 9 flowers. Okay, yes. Now you can write a subtraction fact. So totally 36 flowers Surabhi have that you want to write, and 9 flowers Anisha asking. Okay, so she wants 9 flowers that you want to write in the second box. Okay, now what you have to do? You want to subtract. Okay, see here. Can Surabhi give Anisha 9 flowers from her 6 single flowers? But Surabhi have how many flowers? Only 6 flowers she had. Okay. But Anisha wants 9 flowers. So, can she give? No. Yes. So, she cannot give because she has only 6 flowers. Okay. So, she cannot give. So, you want to take the no option. Okay. So, what you will do? What we will do? If you cannot subtract 9 from 6, what we will do? We will get borrow. Yes. Okay. We will get borrow from the tens place, and this number will become 16, and in tens place the number will become 2 because we gave 1 tens to the ones place. That's why the number will become 2. Okay. Now you can do the subtraction fact. Now listen here. Surabhi unties one of the garlands as shown. So now what she did? So from these 3 garlands, she untied 1 garland. Okay, she untied 1 garland, and see how many garlands are there she left with her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally how many flowers she have? 16 flowers. And how many garlands? 2 garlands. Okay, so 2 tens she have with her and 16 flowers in one's place. Okay. Now fill in this box. She now has how many garlands? 2 garlands. Yes, very good. 2 garlands of 10 flowers, isn't it? We grouped as 10 flowers. So 2 garlands. And how many single flowers? Yes, very good. 16 single flowers. Okay. Now let us strike out 9 flowers from the single flowers. So how many you want to subtract? 9. So Anisha want 9 only, no? Yes. Now Surabhi have 16 single flowers. From 16 single flowers, she can give 9. So we can strike out 9. Okay, see they have shown in the figure. 9 if you subtracted. That means 9 if you strike out, it means how many flowers remaining she had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers Surabhi had. Okay. So 2 tens she had, no? Yes. So Surabhi now has how many garlands of 10 flowers? 2 garlands of 10 flowers. And how many single flowers? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. Okay. So 7 single flowers. So she is left with totally how many flowers she is having? 27 flowers. Okay. So she is left with totally, so 2 in tens place, 2 we have. So 2 tens and how many ones? 7 single flowers. So 27 flowers. Okay. If you subtract, so what is the answer? 27. Okay. Now take page number 59. Underline these words, ma. When we do not have enough number of objects in the ones place, we borrow. Okay. So you have to underline these sentence. So we borrow a 10 from the tens place, isn't it? See here, in ones place, if we don't have the enough number, okay, so what we are doing? We are borrowing from the tens place. Okay, that only here they have mentioned. So underline these words, this sentence. Yes. Now we can see the activity 3.14. Okay. So this also as usual like subtraction only. Now see the first sum, 56 minus 29. Okay, so 56 you want to take and write and 29. Okay, from 6 can you subtract 9? See, from 6 can you subtract 9 ma? No, you cannot, because this 9 is the largest number. From smallest number you cannot subtract 9. So what we will do? Yes, very good. We will borrow from the tens place. Okay, so you will get borrow from the tens place. So the number will become 16 in ones place, and in tens place, what is the number will be having? So in tens place the number will become 4. Okay, so that you can write in the given box. Okay, here instead of writing in this box you can write. Okay, so now 16 minus 9, 7. Okay, so from 4 you want to subtract 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the answer? 27. Okay, this is the answer. And see the D sum. 71 minus 26. Okay, so first you want to take and write the number 71 and you want to subtract 26 from this number. So 26 also you want to take and write. So you will do the subtraction. This symbol is very important. Okay, whenever you are doing the addition or subtraction fact, here you want to mention the symbol, which operation you are doing. You want to mention whether plus or minus. Here we are doing the subtraction, minus. So you want to mention this symbol. Okay. Yes. In ones place, from 1 you cannot subtract 6. Okay. So 6 is the largest number and 1 is the smallest number. You cannot subtract. So what you have to do? As usual, you will be getting borrow. Yes. Okay. If you get borrow from tens place, in ones place the number will become 11, and in tens place the number will become, yes, very good, 6. Okay, so we gave 1 tens to ones place, so the number will become 6, that you can write in this box. Okay, now 11 minus 6, 5. Okay, now from 6 you want to subtract 2, so 6 minus 2, 4. So 45 is the answer. Okay, so you have to complete these 4 sums. Sit along with your parents and complete this. Okay, it will be very useful for you. If you practice like this, you will be get thorough in this. Now take page number 60. See here. Ava's family bought 45 bananas for the elephants. Okay, for the elephants, they bought 45 bananas. The elephant caretaker wants only 27 bananas. Okay, how many bananas are they left with? See, they are asking. This is the word problem. Okay, so listen carefully. Ava's family bought 45 bananas for the elephants. Okay, they bought 45 bananas from the shop for elephant. The elephant caretaker, he wants only 27 bananas. So how many bananas are they left with? See, if in the word problem, left with, left, if it comes, if the word comes left means you want to do the subtraction. Okay, this is the symbolic word to do the subtraction. Okay, see 45 bananas, they have given the picture. So they have grouped. Okay, so each banana consists of 10 bananas. So how many tens will be having? 4 tens. And the remaining ones? 5 ones. Okay, so they have given. Since we cannot take away 7 from 5, we need to regroup the tens place. See what they are asking? So the elephant caretaker wants only 27 bananas. Okay, here you want to write the subtraction fact. Then only it will be easy for you to regroup. Okay, so 27 what you are going to do? Do the subtraction fact. Okay. Yes. So they bought 45 and caretaker want only 27 bananas. From 5, can you subtract 7? No, you cannot subtract. Okay. So what we will be doing? Yes, very good. You will be borrow from the tens place. Okay. So this is ones and this is tens. Whenever you are writing this subtraction fact, you want to mention ones place and tens place. Okay, so if you borrow means it will become 15 in ones place and this number will become 3. Okay, now we can see here, see, since we cannot take away 7 from 5, we need to regroup the tens place. So 1 tens we are taking from tens place. So what will happen? We will untie this one group. Okay. So like one problem last time we have seen, no, like that. So how many tens we have? 3 tens. See here, 1 tens we gave, so we will be having 3 tens. And in ones place, how many bananas will be having? 15 bananas. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 bananas. Okay, see they itself mentioned 3 tens, 15 ones. See here the subtraction fact they have given here, see. So this ones place, this number 5, that will become 15. Okay, we are borrowing 1 tens from tens place. So the number will become 15 and in tens place the number will become 3. Okay, now you can do the subtraction. So 15 minus 7, what is the answer? Yes, very good, 8. Now see here, Avos family is left with how many bunches of 10 bananas? So only 1 tens. Okay, so only 1 bunch of 10 bananas. Okay. And how many single bananas? How many single bananas? 8 bananas. Okay, you won't write here 8. So Avos family is left with totally how many bananas? 18 bananas. You want to write in this blank, in this dash. Okay, so how many tens? Only 1 tens. Okay, only 1 bunch of 10 bananas they have. And how many single bananas? 8 bananas. Okay, so totally 18 bananas they have. So like this the word problem will be there. Okay, you want to take and write like this subtraction fact, then it will be easy for you. Now we are going to see the quick tips. Okay, so observe the following 6 of subtraction facts. Now see here, we are going to learn about quick tips. Okay, see the first sum, 38 minus 10. Okay, 38 minus 10 is the question. You just mention this is ones place and tens place. Okay, now minus 10 means, so you can subtract. Okay, see here, in ones place the number will remain same. Okay, because 8 minus 0 in addition also we have seen like this. Okay, that is plus and minus. Whenever you are adding or subtracting, okay, 8 minus 0, the same number only will be coming. Okay, because here there is no number. Okay, that's why. So if you subtract 0 from 8, so which is the largest number here? 8 is the largest number. Yes, very good. Okay, so from the largest number you are subtracting 0. 0 means there is no number. So what will be coming? The same number only will be coming. Okay, yes. So in ones place the number 8 only will be coming. Now you want to do the subtraction for tens place. Okay, see here we have 3 tens and here we have 1 tens. So what you want to do? You want to subtract 1 from tens place. So 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so see first you can. So you can check in the addition fact also. Sorry, subtraction fact also. Okay, see 38 minus 10. So you want to do the subtraction. So minus means just mention ones tens. Okay, so see here 8 minus 0. We are subtracting no number. Okay, so the same number only will be coming. And 3 minus 1, 2. So 28. Okay, what is the quick tip means? This is the 10. Okay, 38 minus 10 means 10 is the tens place. In tens place we call it as 110. Okay, we can minus 110 from this number. Okay, if you subtract 110 from this number, what is the answer? 28. If you subtract 110 from tens place, this number 3 will become 2. So in ones place, the same number will be remaining as it is. So 28 is the answer. See, we can see the next sum. Now see this sum. Okay, 46 minus 10. 46 minus 10 means, see, here ones tens that you can mention. Otherwise, 46 minus 10. 10 means you can subtract 110 from this number. Okay, if you subtract 110 from this number, what is the answer? Here we have 4 tens. If you subtract 1 tens, what is the answer? 3. Okay, yes. In ones place, the same number only will be having. Okay, so this is the quick tips. See, next sum 33 minus 10. Okay, you just mention ones and tens place for this first number alone. Okay, you are subtract 10. So 10 means in tens place you just subtract 110. Okay, so this means that it represents 1/10, isn't it? So what we are doing, we are subtracting this 1/10 from this tens place number. Okay, so in tens place one number, what we have? 3 tens. So we have 3 tens. Minus 10 means, this means that 1/10. So we are subtracting this 1/10 from this number 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so 23 is the answer. In ones place, the same number only will be coming. In tens place alone, one number you want to subtract and you want to write the answer. Okay, now see this 55. Okay, so 55 minus 10 means you just write one's tens place for this number alone. So minus 10 means it represent 1/10. Okay, it represent 1/10. Okay, so 1/10 means here no ones. Okay, so you are subtracting 1/10 from this tens place number. Okay, so in ones place what number you have, that you want to take and write as it is, 5. So ones place number you want to take and write as it is, and this 10 means 1/10. So 1/10 you are subtracting from this number 5. In tens place we have 5 tens, and if you subtract this 1/10, the number will become 5 minus 1, 4. So what is the answer? 45 is the answer. Okay, so see the answer. We are subtracting just 1/10 from the tens place, that's all. Okay, in ones place from tens place. In ones place, the number you want to take and write as it is. Okay, what is meant by quick tips means the number 55 minus 10. So 10 means in tens place. Okay, in ones place you want to write the number as it is, 5. Now tens place alone the number will change. Here we have 5 tens and you want to subtract only 1/10. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 tens will be having. This is the answer. Okay. Now see the next sum, children. See what is the number? 73 minus 10. Okay. So 73 minus. So this 10 means, yes, only 1/10. Okay. This tens means it represent 1/10. Okay, so in ones place, what is the number we have? 3. So you want to take and write the number 3 as it is. Okay, only in tens place the number will change. So here 10 means it represents 1/10. Okay, you just remember this 10 as 1/10. And you have to subtract this 1/10 from this tens place number 7. 7 minus 1. Yes, 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, so 6 is the answer. So 6 tens. Yes, understood, children? Take companion book, page number 20. See 3G. This is the home fund for you. This is a word problem. Okay. help Sheila and Priya find the amount of money they are left with after buying a few things. Okay, so Sheila they have given this much rupees, she spent how much? So you want to do the subtraction. Okay, and see the second sum also they have given and you want to do the same. So here minus symbol, you want to do the subtraction. Okay, complete this home fun and upload in the Chrysalis home app. Okay children, we can see in the next session. Bye.